Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackanons YouTube channel. In this video, we will see why is the given statement, that is quadrillion in range of quadrillion, so fast in Python 3. So without further wasting time, let's get started. So basically what I've done is I've created a response variable and I've equated it to a Python syntax saying that quadrillion in range 0 to quadrillion. And now what I'm doing is I'm simply printing the response to check whether the given statement will be true or false. So if I run this, as you can see, the response shows true. Well, that is fine because quadrillion is there in the range from 0 to quadrillion. But the thing is, how does the response return so quickly? You may think that each number will have to be checked each and every single time from the range, that is the starting point 0 to start end point quadrillion plus 1. But that's not the case. Even if it had to do that each and every individually step, it would have taken a lot of time. But as you can see on the output window, the process is getting over really quick. And let me show you right over again, and let me make this quadrant instead of quadrillion 1. And now if I run it, it says false within the same amount of quick time, that is 261 milliseconds. And let me just change this. And even if I add step arguments, it's not going to change the speed of the execution. In fact, it's going to be a bit quicker because we're adding step arguments, but yet it does the execution quite quick. So let's see what's the top reasons for its quick execution. So the first reason could be due to optimization. It's really easy to compare given integers, just like the minimum and the min range functions that we use. Second, the reason is that the range function is so fast in Python that it is used for mathematical reasoning, so that the bounds rather than the normal iteration of a range object. So to understand the logic, what we do is we check whether the number is between the start and the stop, and we check that the stop precision value does not go over a number. It's as simple as that. And finally, range is a subsequence, just like a list, and sequences are really fast to work with in Python because they are optimized well, and that is why it can be tested below as a range function with quicker execution time. So that's it from this video, where we've seen 3 possible solutions to the given clause. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Hackanons YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.